Hare Krishna, Jaya Tulasī Devi. So this is the tutorial on the 2 Sanskrit verses that appear in our Tulasī worship. So Vrindayai Tulasī Devyai, it's not Tulasī Devyai, Tulasī Devyai. So Tulasī always has long E at the end. So it's not Tulasī, it's Tulasī. Tulasī Devyai, Priyayai Keshavasya cha. It's not Priyayai Keshavasya cha. The Pri is not to be stressed. So not Priyayai, but Priyayai. Stress the second syllable more because it's long. And the long is heavy, to be stressed. Priyayai Keshavasya cha. Now, Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavatya Namo Namaha. So here everything is quite clear. Next, when we sing the Pradakshina mantra, circumambulating Tulasī, often you can hear Yani Kani Chapapani ta 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 ta, like this. So again, it doesn't correspond to the way the verse is composed. It's Yani Kani Chapapani. Tan ta tan ta ta tan tan tan. If I would recite this verse like Bhagavad Gita, I would say Yani kani cha papani tan ta tan ta ta tan tan tan. So now you can transpose this rhythmical structure of the line into our Karatala beat, 1-2-3 beat, which would be Yani kani cha papani. You can see I stayed faithful to Sanskrit, and at the same time I performed satisfactorily on the musical side of things. So tan ta tan tan ta tan tan tan. It corresponds totally to the light and heavy syllable structure in Sanskrit. So this is the way to sing it if you want to stay faithful to the verse. And then Brahmahatyadikani cha. 1, 2, 3. Brahmahatyadikani cha. And then again, tani tani pranashyanti. That's what we normally hear, but it's again tani tani pranashyanti. Tan ta tan tan ta tan tan tan, which would be representing the way the syllables are arranged. So 2, 3. Tani tani. Okay, I start on the first beat of Karatalas. Tani tani pranashyanti. Tani tani pranashyanti. Pradakshina pade pade. 1, 2, 3. Pradakshina. Again, Pradakshina. It's not Pradakshina. Very often you hear devotees unnecessarily stretch the long vowels. So again, on the first beat of Karatalas. 1, 2, 3. Pradakshina pade pade. 1, 2, 3. Pradakshina pade pade. Notice how I made kind of a pause after dak. Pradakshina pradakshina pade pade. Alright, so this was Tulasī Pranama mantra and Tulasī Pradakshina mantra tutorial. So now next will come invocation prayers for the Bhagavatam in the beginning of the Bhagavatam class. Hare Krishna.